How to remove suggested files from Google Drive. So first is to launch the Google Drive. So just click this Google Apps icon beside your profile icon and then select Drive. Now that we've opened Drive, we can see the suggested portion of files as well as in Shared with Me, you would see the suggested files portion. So to remove this portion, all you have to do is go to Settings and then choose Settings. Scroll down until you find the suggested files. So it is your decision if you would disable the suggested files feature in both My Drive or Shared with Me. But for this video, I will disable it in both locations. Now when we go back, the suggested files portion is now gone, as well as in the My Drive location. And so that is how you remove suggested files from Google Drive. Thank you and have a great day.